I don't have no hate. Disconnect. Yeah, disconnect. Yeah, right. I just like picking on 445. Oh, he didn't do anything. He wants me to shut up so he can have some airtime. Oh, 10-4. I'm being blackmailed now. Wow. That 445 is after me again. If I keep on this radio, I'm going to have my hate club back on. Tell him 445 about my hate club.
My headphones here.
Oh yeah, he got a hate club up there around New York.
Almost single centimeter here. Sounded really, really good.
Got a real big fan club up there in New York.
Sounds like I'm working on one down that way. Oh boy, I gotta behave myself now.
Now it is copy, brother. Oh wow, air hit me back out.
Well, 445, you have fun down there. I know you always do. You do real good gates. Awesome. 153 New York, I'm gonna shut up and let you go.
I'm just the guy that does the recording. Hey, by the way, I'm talking on a Kenwood, and you'll see the video gates. I hope they turn out pretty good. 153, 445, back quiet.
10-4 on that. 445, Mr. Radio Man. I heard it all because you said it all. Bum bum.